Stay tuned to watch Gunner's tour of Pioneer Loop. Okay, today we're with Gunner. He's gonna give us a little virtual tour of the property from his perspective and his eye level. You about ready to take a look at the house, Gunner? Should we head out soon? All right, you're gonna follow me around and we're gonna show the house so other people's dogs can see what this house looks like. Okay, here we go, Gunner. Here we can see the kitchen, the dining, hallway to the laundry room. Here we can see your food, little buddy. Okay, through the hall, we're gonna look into the bathroom and into the third bedroom with the fireplace. Okay, here's the door entrance. It's where Gunner barks when somebody comes to the door. And then you got the living room. Down the hall, we got a small bath there. And we have the cool office that Gunner stays in a lot. And then we have the master bedroom with the nice beautiful views that he likes, looking at the quail and the deer and the coyote. We don't see any out there now, Gunner. Then we go into the master bath. Where we going, buddy? Come on. Show me where. You wanna go to the living room? Come on. There you go. Come on, buddy. All right, let's show the living room. Here we go. Here we go. View from the living room. This is what our little buddy Gunner sees all the time at his little cute level. See that? Should we come right at you? Boy. This would be Gunner's view looking towards the front of the house. And this would be Gunner slowly walking towards the front door, getting closer, lifting his paws up and peeking through the window of the door. A great pond for your dog to jump in and chase the ducks, and a beautiful yard for your dog to play in. Lastly, we have the beautiful new barn. Thanks again for watching, and thank you, Gunner, so much for helping with the dog tour.